Hi everyone. Today actually we're covering our topic Spring Boot annotation. Okay, let's get started. Uh, what is the Spring annotation? Before that, it will go. What is the Spring Boot? Actually, Spring Boot is an open source framework for developing a standalone applications and for developing microservice development. That is a secure and actually it provides various dependency management techniques that you can configure all the beans and through the annotations only, no XML configurations. There is no complex XML. Previously it was there, so to overcome we use the annotation parts and in a Spring, as well as in a Spring Boot. Spring Boot is a part of the Spring framework, and Spring having the many dependencies, starter dependencies that you can add into the pom.xml, and that you can configure very easily, and so it's give us some additional benefits. So let's see one by one. Actually, Spring put annotation having the one first annotation, that is while starting our Java application, that is we use the Spring Boot application annotation is the main annotation, and this is actually main that we actually combination of the configuration, enable auto configuration, and component scan. All three are together. We can make a Spring Boot application annotations, and this annotation is responsible for setting auto configure beans. That's enabling the auto configuration of beans, and scanning the component that's components and beans together. So this is the use of the Spring Boot annotation, and let's see the example. The simple Spring Boot application having a main class, that hello world application, and one simple that method publish that required main, and having the Spring application class, and it's having methods run, and which is the main method run, having that passing the hello world application class name and arguments. In that, it execute the our Spring Boot. From this is the entry point where Spring Boot application is executed. So okay, that is from my side. Thank you.